day.
No, you said that
I didn't say for a day. Fuck you, Sam. I didn't say all day, clear. Just give my bike for a bit. It's mine.
You have your helmet!
What did you guys Stop fucking wrecking the jumps. Oh, clear.
Get the helmet.
Do you know how to hit this jump, Josh?
Yeah, do you know how to?
You're fucking kidding me. Good one. Use my bike. You're not touching my bike ever again.
You want your helmet?
Oh, fucking want my helmet.
Yes, you do.
Shoot off.
Dude, he just threw your helmet.
I don't care.
Touch it.
Nice throw.
Oh, catch it.
Nice throw.
That's what I think about you.